What if I told you that a machine can think, learn, and sometimes make better decisions than humans? Sounds scary, right? But this is not science fiction. This is artificial intelligence. Today, I'll explain why AI was created, when it started, how it helps us today, and what the future might look like. AI was not created for fun. It was created because humans have limits. We get tired. We forget things. We can't analyze millions of data points at the same time. So humans asked one big question. Can we build a machine that thinks like us, but works faster and smarter? And that question changed the world. The idea of AI started in 1956 at a famous meeting called the Dartmouth Conference. The term artificial intelligence was used for the first time. Back then, computers were huge, slow, and expensive. Today, that same AI fits inside your smartphone, from calculators to chess-playing machines to AI that can talk, write, and create. AI is already part of your daily life. AI recommends your Netflix shows. AI helps doctors detect diseases early. AI drives cars. AI protects banks from fraud. And the most powerful thing? AI learns from data and improves itself every day. In the future, AI won't just assist humans. AI will work with humans. Self-driving cars, AI teachers, robot surgeons, smart cities. Some jobs may disappear, but many new jobs will be created. The future belongs to people who understand AI. Faster decisions, less human error, better healthcare, smarter education, higher productivity. Job replacement, privacy concerns, deep fakes and misinformation, overdependence on machines. AI is not good or bad. It depends on how humans use it. AI is not the future. AI is a tool. Humans decide the future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more future-focused content.